respected teachers and the judges. I stand in the favor of the motion that education is the only way to succeed. The topic is academical excellence is the only way to succeed in life. Yes, it is. Education is basically just the foundation for one's career. Education is the foundation for one's career. It enables critical thinking, provides you the specialized knowledges. Furthermore, I would like to say that employers hire ones with good academical skills who have degrees, not ones who don't have. It provides basic idea that a particular person is trustworthy. In conclusion, I would like to mention that educational excellence is one of the most reliable way of succeeding in life. Thank you.
My fellow batchmates and my worthy opponents. Today I am trying to explain in my presentation the argument that academic excellence is the only key to success. We learn from our childhood that the bottom line of education is academic excellence. Right? It opens the doors. Indeed, most of the professions like great doctors, great engineers, great entrepreneurs are great in the world because they are excellent in their academics. Academics gives them discipline to soar and work, gives them innovative ideas, gives them everything that they need in their life, that gives them aura. I would analyze how critical thinking gives and critical ideas, innovative ideas, and for a bit hard work, it's okay. Thank you, it's my time. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Mashwari Krishkiran from class 10th E. I know that most of you deny with the statement that academic success is not a key to success because you don't have the value of education or academics that you receive. But go and ask a boy whose father is not respected by the village men, neighbors, or he is not wealthy. For him, the success is that his father is being respected and he can sustain his family by income. So for him, the academic success is most easy and the relevant way because in academic success, though he is not unable to become engineer, IAS or anything, but he can become any professional that can sustain his family. While if he can opt for different things like sports and games, these are too risky because if he didn't achieve a huge level, then he can't earn any money and would not be able to sustain his family by the money. So respect what you have and thank you.
Judges and fellow debaters, today I Solangi Tulsi stand in the favor of the motion that academic excellence is the only way to a successful career. In today's knowledge-driven society, the academic excellence plays an important role. It serves as a foundation for intellectual growth, skill development and career advancement. Excellence is not just about scoring a good marks or a score. It's about a mindset, a habit and a journey. It's a key for unlocking our passions and potential. To teachers and educators, you teach us, you encourage us and empower students to reach new heights. So guys, as we strive for academic excellence, we must not forget that academic excellence is and the failures. So the failures are not the opposite of success, but it is the stepping stone to success. In conclusion, I would only like to say that academic excellence plays a very crucial role in our life. It gives individuals knowledge, credentials and networks needed to thrive in today's competitive job market. So I strongly appeal that academic excellence is the reliable and most surest path to go with. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Nishika Mangali. Today I want to discuss about the topic academic excellence. Academic excellence is the only way to a successful career. Research shows that higher education greatly improves job prospects, and according to Great India Survey on higher education, the employment rate for graduates were significantly higher than for those without a degree. And in fact, Periodic Labor Force 2022 also shows that the unemployment rate for graduates were nearly 10% compared to around 55% of of uneducated. In conclusion, I want to say that in a country where competition grows fiercer day by day, academic excellence is the only vital tool for a successful career, career opportunities, and higher earnings. Thank you.
So, academic excellence is the only way for a successful career. As your father has told you from very beginning that, my dear son, if you not get a top degree, you will not be able to succeed in your life. If you get a top degree, then you have to get into better college. Now it depends on you that whether you want to do a 9 to 5 job which is paycheck to paycheck, or else you want to have a better professional in which you can earn six figure or 7 figure salary, right? So it's not just about your personal motive, but along with it is about the fulfillment of your family. Just remember the time when your father has invested for you, the sacrifice they made for you. Okay, so means I just like to say that don't put it, just put the input in it. Just remember the sacrifice, don't slack, and we get the best excellence. The output will be the sweetest. Thank you.
All my respected teachers, fellow batchmates, and worthy opponents, of course. I'm Chauhan Mishi, and today I stand before you to speak about something that holds a key for shaping our future: academic excellence. In a world where competition grows fiercer day by day, the foundation of success lays on one crucial element, that is education. Academic excellence is not just about scoring high marks. It's about excellence, it's about knowledge, it's about discipline, and it's about life-solving skills. It is through academic excellence that we learn how to think critically. It is through education that we learn how to think critically, solve problems in our day-to-day life. Without academic excellence, our dreams may never find this. Without academic excellence,
the more you learn, the more you strive, the more you thrive. So does it take you more places. So hello and good morning to one and all present over here. I am Heet Wavle and I am going to talk about the topic which is in favor of educational excellence is indeed necessary for academical success. In today's world, education and academics provides us what we are, what we can achieve, and what we can basically earn, or like opportunities for future prospects. Think about it. When we are in school, we excel. We learn how to think critically, solve problems, and manage our time. Employers may look for